Hello guys, sorry for not recording, but I just wanted to record this because it's so goddamn funny. My feelings, my feelings. Uh, oh, oh, and no, my name is not me. My name is not me. He nice now. Oh yes, beautiful. Beautiful creature. Tell me, my future. Tell me. Oh. No, no, not the pizza. Not the pizza. Not the pizza. Not the pizza. But beautiful creature. We'll miss you, Daddy. We'll miss you, Daddy. We'll miss you. Oh. What the hell? What the? Where's that? I have an idea. Let me just. Baby. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy, not my boy. So let's just don't think I'm a weirdo just because of this. Don't think I'm a weirdo just because. Oh dear God, what am I even doing? My dad likes you. So everything. No one will ever notice. No one will ever notice. wanna go to stuff your face. Like my mom. Like my mom did. Like my mom did. Like my mom did. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. What are you doing? Let go. This is how bulls walk. This is how they walk. Dab on them haters. Dab on them haters. Dab on them. Okay. Yeah, okay, I don't have any. Here, eat some food. Eat some food. Here we go. Taco my heart. Taco to me. Taco to me. Taco to me, girl. Taco to me, girl. Taco to me. Here, eat. Here, stuff your. Let me just stuff her face. This is what girl. This is what boys do. Go to the home. Let's go to the thing we call a home. Let's go to the thing we call a home. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, guys, I just wanted you to give some of this to you guys because you're special. You special pricks. Oh no, I don't mean that in a bad way. I mean in a good way. Max, be here and I'm outie. I'm outie. I'm outie. I'm outie. Okay. See you guys later. Hopefully tomorrow. I will tell a story tomorrow. If I'm right or am I wrong? Nobody knows. Mamma mia, pizzeria. Oh no, this is where I end the video.